Having fun. I like your port design. Did you do this?
Yeah, I did.
It looks really good.
Nothing fancy, just something I came up with.
Yes, sir.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Here we are again.
Hello, can I come in?
What's happening, man?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Enjoying the show. I really am enjoying it.
Yes, sir.
Having fun. I like your port design. Did you do this?
Yeah, I did.
It looks really good.
Nothing fancy, just something I came up with.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it looks like two of the Resilient Sound Team 18s, 5,000 RMS stuff.
That's what it is.
And sixth order. What's your tunings on it?
It's right around 23 and 56. 23 and 46, sorry. 23 and 46.
And the amplifiers you have on them right now?
It's two DD M5s. Okay. They're strapped at 1 ohm, each amp sync half ohm.
Okay.
128 amp hours of headway, and two CES 320s.
Wow. Low end monster, too low too.
Devoted my neighbors. It's DJ Rusticles.
Gucci gang. Ain't no wetter rain. Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Okay. Gang. Take meds. Line for your company. Where? You gang. Ain't no wetter rain. Hey, Gucci gang. Hey, Gucci gang. Cocaine. Oh man, hey, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Visit of the neighbors. It's
That's what I was geared toward, yeah. That's what I was towards.
Nice
It
job.
was Lowe's, man.
And you built this?
I did all the enclosure I did myself.
Nice work.
You do a really good job.
Yeah, it looks really good, man.
And I appreciate it.
Very nice. You got one more?
Yeah.
All right.
I got like 19 hertz.
Oh, okay.
There it is.
Cardi be brain on offset. That be God's Martian. Bitch, you a wanna be caught. Cardi be brain.
Awesome, man. For the cone area, it's brutal. You did good. Yeah, it's like almost like 418s, but it's
A lot of people tell me that. They can't believe that it's only 218s. Like, it's...
The enclosure's built efficiently with the two to compensate for it.
Yeah. I put a lot of time. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Good job, man. Yes, sir. What was your name, man?
Mike Jackson, man.
Mike Jackson, yes, sir. Team Megahertz, all right. You have a good day. I really appreciate it. Nice job, man. Yes, sir. What's up, Jacob? What's up, man?
Gucci gang. Been no way to rain. Gucci gang. Gucci gang. Okay. Gang. I'll take meds. Line for your company. Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.